Today, we'll check out the world's largest truck stop, one that's so big, it even has a chiropractor. And you'll want to stay till the end where I'll reveal the one thing this truck stop has that you won't believe. I'm Allison. Welcome to Simple Fantastic Kitchen on the Road. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. As you drive Interstate 80, signs start telling you you're getting close. Iowa 80 Truck Stop is located in Walcott, Iowa. It's just off of Interstate 80, which is the second longest interstate in the U.S., running 2,900 miles from Teaneck, New Jersey to San Francisco, California. Iowa 80 was established in 1964 and is like a small city. It sits on 220 acres, receives about 5,000 visitors a day, and has 450 employees. The main building is 67,000 square feet. It also boasts a separate trucking museum, parking for 900 trucks or RVs, 15 diesel fuel pumps, and plenty of parking and gas options for tourists. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In fact, it's never been closed since it opened in 1964. Inside the main building, you can find everything under the sun. It's a convenience store, a gift store, and so much more. Then there's the food. In the convenience store section, you have so many options. Including pet food. There are also 7 restaurant choices, including a full-service restaurant called Iowa 80 Kitchen that seats over 300 people, is open 24 hours a day, and includes a buffet as well as a full food and dessert menu. There's also a Wendy's, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, Starbucks, Dairy Queen, and Orange Julius. I'm having a mango pineapple smoothie from Orange Julius. Cheers.
On a really hot day like today. This really hits the spot.
But I think the wildest thing about the world's largest truck stop is just how many amenities it has. There's a place you can wash your dog, a dog park, a truck wash, and truck service station. There's a laundry center, a library, a TV room, private showers, a workout room, massage chairs, a barbershop, ministry services, EV charging stations, a chiropractor, a movie theater, and the one thing you won't believe, it even has a dentist. How cool is that?
Being in here is like walking into a giant care package. You're gonna get everything you need.
If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and give me a like while you're at it. See you on the next one.